Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm sharing some happy mail that I have received. Some of them were prizes and then some surprise happy boo mail. The first one, I won a giveaway from Susan over at Susan's Heartstrings. I will go ahead and link her channel down below. She sent this adorable Winnie the Pooh card. She wrote a sweet note and she shared a gift card that was so very nice. Thank you so much for that. The prize was wrapped in this super cute heart tissue paper, and attached was the stamp that says faith, hope, and love. It's so sweet, along with these heart stickers. The prize that I actually won was this amazing Anna Griffin purse die. It is so beautiful. I don't think I really have any of her dies, but look at how big that is. Susan, thank you so much for such a generous prize. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for sharing such wonderful goodies. The next thing that I received is some boo mail from Maka over at Maka's home. How cute is this Halloween card? It's so fun. She wrote me a note on the inside. She has also shared some spooky cute ephemera pieces with me. Thank you so much for thinking of me, Maka. I appreciate it so very much. I will be sure to link Maka's channel down below as well. The next prize that I won was from Diana at Diana Loves Colors. Her channel will also be linked down below. I won one of her giveaways, and the giveaway was for a foam spooky house. I did already open it and take out the foam house because my one daughter was going to see the daughter that I wanted to give it to, because she used to make those houses all the time when she was younger, so I know that she would enjoy doing it even as a young adult. She took that right away. So let's open up the rest. The first thing is this cute Halloween scarf. Thank you so much for that. We have a pair of spooky fun socks. These are so cute. Okay, let's see. All right, here's the card. Let's take a look at this. I saw this on her channel. This is so cute. Look at how cute that skeleton and that swing is. So fun. She wrote a note on the inside. Thank you so much, Diana. And then she sent these super cool labels. These are awesome. I love them so much. She shared a bunch of extra goodies. The prize was for the haunted house, but there's many more things in here. Let's take a look. We have some really cool ephemera. So cute. How fun. I love it. Thank you so much. We have this cool bag, a wish bracelet. This is Halloween wish for you. This is what you need to do. Close your eyes and make a wish. Put it on your wrist. When it breaks in two, then your wish may come true. That is so cute. I love that. And I will definitely be wearing this. I like to wear a bracelet. Thank you so much for this. I love it so much. Is this cute ghost pin? That is so cute. Thank you, Diana, so much. I make things, lots of things. So fun. I'm going to put that up on my shelving unit. And let's see what is in this package. She made these really nice rosettes. Thank you so much for those. Lots of fun things in here. We have some table scatter decor, perfect for the fall and for Halloween. And we have these super cute gnomies. They're so cute. These cute bat stickers. They're so fun. I don't have these. These googly-eyed stickers. Adorable. Spooky cute. And then we have window clings. Very cool. We have some ghosty felt stickers. Those are spooky fun. And these super fun candy corns. I love these so much. Thank you. We have some farmhouse fabric. Very cool. This was so generous of you, Diana. Thank you so much. All this stuff is going to go great in my stash, and I will be posting a picture of the house when it is completed. Thank you so much for that. And then I also received a card from Diana. I know she has sent me some cash for some dewdrops. Thank you so much, Diana, for purchasing the dewdrops directly from me. It saves me on Etsy fees, and I appreciate it so much. She has sent me some boo mail. Thank you so much. This is so cute. I love it. And we have this super cute spooky pocket with more Halloween goodies on the inside. Very cool. These are all so fun. I don't actually have anything like this. And this super cool Wicked. And it looks like in this pocket she shared some words. Spooky, scary, ghoul. I love them. So cute. Diana, thank you so much. Thank you everyone that has sent me some surprise happy mail and for these prize winnings. I appreciate you all so very much. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and have a great day. Bye guys.